On the last episode of the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show, we wrap up our last episode of Season 1, where we'll share what we learned from our author interviews and the best self-publishing and marketing tips and tricks. We had a great year. Our podcast platform Anchor, owned by Spotify, also thought so and put together this wonderful visual about our show. We can't believe how much content we actually created. Or that people from all over the world enjoyed our podcast. And it seems like we have loyal fans. Thank you to all of our wonderful authors who joined us this season. And thank you to all of our watchers and listeners. We can't wait to share Season 2 with all of you. Come join us for this YouTube premiere of Seasons 1 Wrap this Thursday, December 15th, 2022 at 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.